Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this absolutely beautiful 2018 Audi Q5 2.0 Quattro. This is a Premium Plus model. It's a local one-owner clean car factory vehicle from the Bellevue area. It was a trade-in at Tesla, and since Tesla only sells pre-owned Teslas, all their off-brand vehicles are available for sale for other dealerships like us to buy. Of course, we jumped at the opportunity. The Q5 is one of the direct competitors of our new Infiniti QX50, so it's always nice to have a vehicle like this on our lot. So if people want to cross shop them and maybe they favor the Q5, well, it's always good to have some of the competition in your lot so you have a chance of selling a used vehicle. You know, if you can't sell a new car, well, then the next best thing is selling a used vehicle. So this 13,869 mile example, to be exact, was a great one to find, especially being local one on our clean car facts. If Tesla ever decides to sell pre-owned vehicles besides pre-owned Teslas, they probably have a great opportunity to make more money. Hopefully Elon Musk doesn't watch this video, but I think they're leaving a lot of money on the table because as a used car manager and buyer, I buy a lot of Tesla trades, and they are beautiful vehicles. Generally, the people who buy Teslas are affluent, and generally, I can tell you in the car business, people of money, at least when it comes to cars, they take care of their cars a little bit better than people that don't have extra disposable income. And sometimes it's not for the fault of people that don't have quite as much money. Sometimes you can't afford to, do an expensive service or fix things on your vehicles, and that's just a fact of life, unfortunately. We have the original window sticker on this Q5. I won't go into too much detail, but we'll include an itemized list. Now, of course, you can get a copy of this, but to go over some of the big features, this had a $54,135 original MSRP. Has a Premium Plus package, which gives you the Audi advanced key, full LED headlights, Audi Connect Care, stainless steel front sills, Audi side assist with pre-sense rear panoramic roof, heated out dimming power folding exterior mirrors, high gloss window surrounds, parking system plus, heated front seats with driver memory, navigation package, 20-inch wheel package, Bang & Olufsen sound system, fine grain ash gray brown natural wood inlays, cold weather package, which gives you heated rear seats and heated steering wheel, Audi beam rings, cargo cover, and USB cables, lightning and micro USB. One beautiful automobile. I love the open wood trim. For 2018, the Q5 had a redesign. It was actually, I think, one of the most substantial redesigns it's had in its 9-year history. When the Q5 first came out, it kind of was, a nice vehicle, but it wasn't the star of the show. Now the Q5, if I read correctly, is the top-selling model in the Audi lineup, and for good reason. This class of crossover vehicles is very hot right now. Instead of a 8-speed automatic, they switched to a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. Those dual clutch transmissions are a little bit more efficient than automatics. Instead of having a torque converter, it has clutches, but with 2 clutches, it has 1 clutch for the current gear and 1 clutch pre-selecting the next gear for very smooth gear changes and great performance. Heated front seats, great infotainment system. Audi has an excellent infotainment system, nice high gloss display. I love the way the map looks, very easy to use, great sounding Bang & Olufsen sound system, huge panoramic roof, and you have a sunshade to dim things down if it gets too bright. Audi has kind of like this intelligent cockpit display, which is a big LCD screen instead of a regular conventional gauge cluster. So you can kind of program and pick and choose what you want to display up there on the screen. A really nice color combination in graphite on gray leather. Not too dark, not too light. It's kind of like the Goldilocks color. So it's a little bit easier to take care of versus really dark colors like black. Of course, as I mentioned before, the rear seats are heated. You have rear climate control. The rear seats also recline. I'm 6'2". I fit very comfortably back there. Generous room back here. There is the spare tire. Those rear seats fold down. Might have to put the headrest down, move the seats forward a little bit to get them to go all the way down, but you get the idea. Power rear liftgate. If you happen to be in a different part of the country, we have experience selling cars and trucks all over the US. We regularly sell vehicles out of state on a monthly basis. The process is easier than you might think. We can get you a shipping quote, and we can even help get the vehicle registered and all the sales taxes and all the paperwork done in your home state. Contact us for more details. Really is a beautiful design. The heart of the Q5 is the turbocharged 2-liter engine. We see this in a lot of Volkswagen and Audi products. Makes about 250 horsepower, very fuel efficient, plenty of power. It's not a heavy vehicle with 250 horsepower, it has plenty of get up and go, but it's also still very fuel efficient as well. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.